are going to love the 2017 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.